Siobhan. This week I'm not going on a regular hike in a natural area, but I'm just going to walk around my neighborhood again because I'm such a big advocate for experiencing and appreciating the nature that is accessible to us. For me, I don't have my own car, and I usually have a public transit pass when I'm in school, but since I don't really have much places to go these days because of the pandemic, I don't have one right now. So I've been borrowing my dad's car to go to some natural areas around me, but for the most part, my daily nature walks are just around my neighborhood. So it's definitely a privilege to live in a safe neighborhood that has green spaces and like suburban parks nearby. But I think a lot of people who live in these kind of suburban areas may not even realize just how much nature is around them. I think we separate ourselves from nature all too often. Like even labeling city versus country is just really simplistic because it's not just one or the other, right? Like nature is in cities and it's a necessary part of them. And of course, hiking and camping in, more wild natural areas is definitely a different experience. And I hope that everyone can kind of have that experience at least once in their life because it's amazing. But in our everyday lives, there are still so many elements of nature to acknowledge and observe and explore and learn from. And it's right outside our doors. So I think we need to be on the lookout for those a little bit more. And that's kind of why I started up the TikTok series on AJ's Instagram Reels titled Exploring Suburban Nature. Because I was exploring my own neighborhood and finding cool things. So I was taking short video clips of them, and I really just wanted to make something cute and nice to watch that also inspires other people to do the same and maybe pay a little more attention and zoom in a little bit more on those little pieces of nature that are just all around us. So here are just a few little things that I found on my walk today that I thought were cool, and I just wanted to appreciate them a little bit more and feel a little more connected with nature. So enjoy!
Let's go back to that little place where we used to go in the summer days. We dip our feet at the water's edge, and everyone would come along to meet us there. We'll have a competition to see who can chat for longer, 'cause every year my body's getting stronger. We can swim all day and dance into the night, but we're not coming home till the moonlight shines, till the moonlight shines. Do 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 do.
So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just step outside, take a few small steps, and explore the nature around you. And taking a closer look will instill a deeper appreciation.